Rodrigos EF, brand new EF from EF underscore Chris. Yeah, EF underscore Chris. Interior's pretty mint. Osaka JDM wing, I do believe. I don't know what kind of rims these are. You guys know? Let me know. They're Volk Racing Group A, Group A-V. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's the paint. That's the powder coat. Okay. All right. So it's overheating. So we need to change the water pump on it. That's not that hard to do. As you guys can see, as it showed up, kind of fucking squirted all over the place. So yeah, and it's a wiring mess in here. Híjole. So we're gonna let this cool off first before we pull it into the driveway, because we can't work on it like this, or we can't drive it up into the driveway right now because it's really stupid hot, and we don't want to risk blowing the head gasket. So, but the cool thing about this is that this is a donor car that he bought so he could swap all of his stuff from his white EF onto here. I'll try to put a picture right here. I did it this time, Squeak, so fuck off. So he's gonna swap over all his interior from the white EF and put it in here, and then all this interior is gonna be going to Louise, because Louise is getting a white EF, well, an EF shell that has no interior. So he'll finally have interior for his EF that he's trying to build. You know, the crazy thing about his EF is it's all free stuff. Free shell from our buddy that's in his name, free car parts, free, we got a free B16, free GSR camshafts, free B16 pistons, free this, free that, free this, free that. So I mean, the whole car is pretty much a free car, free build. So that's pretty crazy. But we're gonna let this chill for a sec. Well, nobody say my last name on my video right now, but I spelled my last name, so instead of Chris, it puts Chia, Chcheia.
Chris Chia.
Chris Chia. This is from MPC to EM. Me.
Stop trying to push it.
Did you get a new one?
Ouch. You wanna hold the box for me while I cut this bad boy? Thank you. All right.
No.
This is one of 2 packages that they're giving me. I ordered for myself. Now here's another long sleeve t-shirt and a keychain. Hello, Papa. What you get? What you do?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, so
Sorry.
it's okay. He's changing the shift linkage from single band to a dual band GSR, and we are doing the water pump, and that's a timing belt to engineer. And that thing is pretty gross. What you doing?
Looking pretty.
What you need?
What do you need?
What you need?
A hug.
A hug?
And I told you it was
Some
Alan.
greaser and a pressure washer.
Alan.
Alan bolt.
Who's Alan?
Alan's in this bolt.
Hey, hold this for me.
Hold Alan. Oh.
Hurry up! Oh my God, you take freaking
I'm
forever.
making sweet love to this water pump.
Hurry
Okay?
up!
I'm hoping one of these bolts don't strip.
The Allens are the top drawer.
Alan.
Right there. You gotta use this. You gotta do the thing. You found them? It's a button on the side. There it is. You got it? Did you get it? Okay. Did you already get this tent? I'll take it off for you. That sounded like it. Alex, that sounded like it hurt.
Over there doing V-Tech things.
It's actually the thing that gave out.
What gave out?
Broke the ratchet.
My dad?
Huh?
My dad?
No, your dad left. He never came back.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Hey, Alex, look at me. No, in the hole. Almost. is it silicone?
Oh yeah, Papa. I don't know how to.
You done scared the poop out of me.
I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to have this drop on my hand. Ugh. It looks like it's fine, but
Not the gasket.
not what gasket?
Exactly. That's why I was looking.
Yeah.
Some people just change the gasket and call it a day, but ain't nobody got time for that, bro.
Yeah, ain't nobody got time for
That
that.
was already gone.
I ain't got that for time.
What?
What the fuck?
Damn, bro.
I got-
He didn't even give you the reach around.
All right, so we got the new thing.
The turbo?
Yeah, we got a new spinny boy right here, as Chris Sadowski would call it.
Nagasaki hair dryer.
Nagasaki hair dryer, as Sam calls it. Let's see what. Speaking of Nagasaki, how's it going, Sam?
Hello.
What do?
Things.
Go.
There you go.
Mm.
I got the thing out. Here she
Here she comes.
something. Here she
Swap this out because this is all stripped and whatnot and what have you. So we got this all done. So this is garbage. So you're not gonna be using this no more, Rodrigo.
I'll keep it.
Cause you're a B series guy. I'm actually gonna keep that. It's a single. It's a single cam.
Well, man. I like you.
You know what, man?
Is that good enough for you?
Yeah, it's greasy.
All right, we got the Skunk 2 on there. Not that fake knockoff Skunk 2, and the GSR.
No boot?
Oh no, he's gonna have to put that on.
I'd rock no boot and just that. That thing's fucking dope.
Swishy, swishy. He's gonna have to put that on.
That looks
But
dope with the hybrid race seat shifter.
it does. It looks sick. It looks really sick. Bam. Thank you, friend. You did.
JDM.
You did a good job. Now we got Alex over here putting in the timing belt.
Something's on time.
No, we're not being serious.
I was like, no, I asked him if
So this is Rodrigo's new car.
Wheel was welded, that's why. It's telling me pretty hard to.
What are you trying to grab?
You should have seen mine.
Alex?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's like when I
I
had
knew
a
that.
wheel that they had to weld, they couldn't get the balancing right. They're like, oh, it's close. I'm like, I don't like close. Ever since then,
Well, take down.
no.
Who the hell is Kevin rapping to?
That's why you can balance it.
Kevin, who are you rapping to?
It's Joel Ortiz.
No, I said, who are you rapping to? Oh yeah, your tires are loose as shit too. Yeah. You got tit dirt.
Well, who's gonna turn off?
Leave it to the
Who
owner.
owns it?
Yeah, please.
Don't check everything.
You a nooch?
Yeah.
Set it up. Round of applause, round of applause. Good shit! What's your name again? Alex, that's right. Sorry, you guys are both like my favorite assholes. Huge shout out to NPC once again for coming in clutch. Always with the goods. So I'm going to show you guys what we got here in this box for my motor and for the DA. So I already installed these yesterday. These are the cam caps for the B series. I already have the distributor, the VTEC solenoid, and the valve cover, and the intake and exhaust studs. But what I don't have is a spark plug. I mean, not spark plug. VTEC solenoid cover. The one I have is a custom made one. I really don't feel like running it, and I don't want any damage happening to it. And it's silver, and it just doesn't really go with the flow of things. So we got one of these right here. MPC. Let's put this bad boy on. Made of high quality billet. That one's a lot tighter of fit than my spiked one. But man, does that look good. I plan on changing this out, getting the Skunk 2 VTEC solenoid, because, you know, it's black. And I'm a sucker for items that are colored black. But this whole thing is MPC'd out. And they gave me one more thing. Yeah, I'm taking off the Feels oil cap. You already know where this is going. Inside the box goes my Feels oil cap. And out of the box goes that MPC bad boy right there. Woo! And it has some decent weight to it too. It's not so light and flimsy. That looks beautiful with all this hardware. Man, that shit's starting to look sick. Let me show you guys what Alex got from MPC. So Alex got the spherical MPC low tie, no, not low tie, sway bar end links. He's worked on pretty much any Honda with the sway bar, with the rear sway bar. So he has those. He got purple VTEC solenoid cover. He's going with a purple theme. He got the 75-piece set of purple MPC hardware to clean up that engine bay, make that bad boy look nice. He got a keychain, because I'm going to hook him up with a keychain. He got a sticker. Bam. And this is the piece on the resistance right here. Yeah. You know. Let me open this bad boy for you guys real quick. Look at that. Built in the U.S. MPC strut tower braces. These will go on his where the shocks go, and this actually helps increase stability. So no more sway bar. I mean, no more strut bar going across. You can run this instead, and it works exactly the same. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you smack that like button. And here's a list of my sponsors coming up. You already know the deal. If you guys would like anything done at SB Machine Shop, they are the best places in Southern California to get your motor built. Probably the best place in the world to get your motor built. They build BZ motors like his Porsche and his wagon motor. So if that doesn't say anything, I don't know what else would convince you to go with them. They're building my motor, and I'm just gathering all the parts and a lot of other motors of my friends. So make sure you guys check them out. If you guys would like anything MPC, make sure you guys use the code LazyMan at the checkout, and you guys get 10% off of your entire purchase. The best thing is you can use it every time you order something. So let's say you order right now some lower control arms, and then you go next week, you go, damn, I wish I had the hardware for it. Boom, use the code again. Now you got the hardware, 10% off the entire, like every time you order, you could use it every time. If you guys are interested in making a little bit more power on your motor after you get it built and use some MPC hardware, you could be using PLM headers. Use the code LazyMan and get 10% off on their headers and get more power. They even have boost headers. They have regular headers. They have things for different cars, Fords, Chevys, Miatas, you name it. They got it. That's PLM for you. Just make sure you use the code LazyMan and you get yourself 10% off the entire order. With that being said, I'm Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.